Hey y'all, thanks for joining me for another video. My name is Denise Tanisha and I make planning, lifestyle, and beauty videos every week. If you're into that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and check me out on Instagram at Denise Tanisha XO. So today we are going to do a silent flip through of my Moterm Versa Pocket Planner. That is what I keep with me in my purse every day. I bring it to work and I bring it out and about. It's small, it's compact, and it holds everything. So if you want a more detailed video, I do have one up on my channel. You could check the description or the eye and you can see how I use the planner and my inserts, and I go through it in great detail, but this is just a quick flip through. So thanks for joining me and let's get to the video.